friends and welcome to my channel. My name is Kate. I have the 2024 Liberty box to unbox with you guys. So let's dive in and see what's in the box. Oh wow, this looks like it's packed full. So this is what it looks like they always do. It says limited edition 2024 Liberty box. Let me explain. So Fat Quarter Shop has a soul sampler box. They also have the special boxes that are seasonal box. So they'll have the Valentine's, which is the Cupid, and then they'll have the Liberty box. And then the next one that's gonna come after this one, I believe is going to be the Spooky box, which is the Halloween box. Then they'll have the Christmas box, which is usually called the Jolly box. So that's what this is. This is a specialty box once a year. But anyway, with that being said, let's go on and see. Typically, just like the Soul Sampler box, they'll have like a coupon code back here. And this one is saying free shipping of $30 or more. Typically, you have to order $80 to get free shipping. On this one, all you have to order is $30 worth of stuff, which is not hard in a quilting shop. All right, with that, that's there. So this one is our little thing that lets us know what everything costs or what they are valuing the item in the box. This is what this is for, and it comes in every one of their boxes, the Liberty, the special boxes, and the Soul Sampler box. There's that. So the first thing in our box is this triangle on a roll right here, and it's made in the USA, guys. Made in the USA. So this is the 3-inch finish and then 3.5 on finish. I have quite a bit of these. I need to start using them so I don't just kind of like hoard them. I want to start using this. The value for this triangle on a roll right here is $8.74. So that's that. The next thing in our box is, this is kind of cute. So this is it right here. It is a kitchen towel. It says Star Spangled Kitchen Towel. So I'm going to open this and it's gonna crinkle. I'm so sorry. This is what it looks like. It's nice size. It's pretty big. This is it right here. It looks almost like a hair towel, but you know, the size of a hair towel when you get out of the shower and you wrap your hair. That's the size of this towel right here. So if you can kind of, I'm gonna measure it. So this is 31 inches wide right here. And this is almost 18 inches in length right here. So it's a nice size to give you idea of what you're paying for or what you're getting. All right, so that's that. Oh, the price for this towel is $9.98. So the next thing in our box is this thing right here. You're supposed to put it on your ruler and it's supposed to clamp on your ruler so you can have a safety cut and you can have a grip on your ruler without having to hold it down like this. You will hold it down like this. Okay, I'm gonna try it out and see. So this is my ruler. This is an 8.5-inch ruler. So I guess you're supposed to put it on like this, clamp it down, and it stays on like that. So when you're done, you can undo it and it comes on. So for example, if it's down, you're just gonna clip it on, push down, done, like that. So that's it right there. Very effective. And the price for this clamp is $9.98. I mean, I won't say it's a must-have, but it is a nice to have. It gives you that nice extra grip. I don't have this item, but I'm glad I got it. And it's not something that I was out looking for, so it is a nice to have. The next thing in our box is this 3-star fabric hanger thing. And I think I've gotten this before from another Liberty box from Fat Quarter Shop. You hook it to your wall here, and then you put a small, like a wall hanging kind of block on here. Now, the block that's gonna go on here is right here. Okay, this also comes in the box. When you make this block, the finishing is going to be 6.5, and you're going to hang it here. You can hang it on your door, just like that. So this is what this is made for. This is a bonus item. This right here is valued at $14.48. And it also comes with the hardware to hook it to the wall. I am not keen on hooking things to my wall. What I probably do is put like a little command right here, up here, and then just hang it on the command. That way I can just pull it and it's not leaving a hole on my wall. So that's that. $14.48 on this. I already have one, but that one only has 1 star. And I'm looking at it right now where I'm looking at it right now from where I'm sitting. It's still sitting there and I have not used it since I got it. And now I have 2. So there you go. Now, this right here is a bonus item. It is a one block, like a wall hanging or like a mug rug type thing. If you don't want to hang it, you can use it as a mug rug. It's going to look like this. It's valued at $4.48. So it's a bonus item. I don't think they're counting this, but I did because it has a price on it. So I don't know. You be the judge, right? All right. So I'm going to show you the pattern with the fabric. So the fabric is from Old Glory, from Layla Boutique, and this is her patriotic line, which is kind of subtle. It's very nice. This one has like a really nice piece. It is very almost modern. So it came with this panel right here, okay? And this panel is on the website by itself where you can purchase it. This is your pattern right here. It also came with these fabric right here. These are fat quarters that you would need to complete the quilt. And this is another fat quarter right here. So there you go. This right here, very subtle. You have this one also. And then this is the last one right here. It is very subtle, very nice. Price for the fabric with the panel included is $40 even. It comes with this pattern. I'm going to show you one more time. And so what you would need here is 2 1/3 yard of background. You will need 1/3 of accent fabric, which is the blue star. And you would need binding, which is going to be 3/4, pretty much a yard. The size for this quilt is going to be 58.5 by 70.5, which is a nice size quilt. The price for this exclusive pattern, it is $9.98. So I said, all in all, this box for $64, it's very worth it. So if you've not gotten your box, I just looked on the website, they still have it. So you need to go to Fat Quarter Shop and get your box right now because they've not sold out. I highly think that this is one of the better boxes. The pattern is a lot better this year. It's bigger, it's usable, and it's workable. And you know I'm going to be making this too, right? So that's all I have for you today. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Hit the notification bell button. A thumbs up will work as well. And I'd love to see you in my next video. You have a great day.